Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please remain standing for our prayer and let us pray. Amen.
Amen.
Before you take your seats, please pick up pieces of paper and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, are you done, teacher? Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will check your attendance first. I will call your name. If your name is called, say present. Sherwin Cadigal,
Present, teacher.
Godofredo Olandria,
Present.
Giovanni Cadigal,
Present, teacher.
you are all present. How are you today?
We are good, teacher.
Oh, it's nice to hear that all of you are doing well. Today, we will have a new interesting topic to be learned. But before that, I have something for you. Inside the box, there are different kinds of materials or things. I will just call somebody to come here in front and pick something inside the box. After you pick the item, you will tell anything or anything that you will describe it, or you will tell the use of it. Okay, class? Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, I need a volunteer. Giovanni, come here in front. Yes, what is that?
It's sliced bread.
Okay.
It is a food.
Okay.
The color is white and soft, teacher.
Okay, very good. Another, Diane.
Ma'am, teacher. Banana.
Okay, what is in the banana?
It is a fruit and it's colored green and black.
Okay, very good. Sherwin. What is that?
It's a kangkong, teacher, a vegetable. It has a long stem and a green leaves.
Okay, very good. Try to look at all the items inside the box. What have you observed?
It's all
Inside the box, teacher, were rotten.
It's rotten. Okay, class?
Rotten.
Rotten.
They are all damaged, teacher.
Okay, very good. There are some of the things that decay over a period of time. So now, what do you think is our lesson for today? Dayan.
I think our lesson for today is all about the things or materials that undergo decay.
Yes, very good. You have an idea of our topic for today. So, we will be talking about materials that undergo decay. Materials that undergo decay. Do you know what decay is? Class? Giovanni.
Yes, teacher. Decay is to be slowly destroyed by natural processes.
Yes, very good. Can you read this, class?
Decay.
Spell decay.
D-C-A-Y.
Decay.
Very good. Decaying or decomposing is to be slowly destroyed into bits in the presence of sunlight, water, air, soil, and natural processes of breaking down materials through the action of bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms. What are the examples or the another examples of decay? Diane.
Leftover foods, teacher.
Okay, very good. Rotting is also an example of a decay. Can you read this, class?
Rotting.
Spell many food items such as leftover meat, bread, and fruits decay over a period of time. Not all plants and also animals decay at the same time. So, what are the examples of materials that undergo decay? Can you give example? Dayan.
Banana peels, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Another example. Giovanni.
Apple.
Okay, very good. Another example of the materials that undergo decay are many foods such as just like this, like leftover meat, bread, fruit, and vegetable over a period of time. So, how can we recognize if what are the signs of decay or spoilage? Can you give one? Giovanni.
Teacher. Is the presence of molds, bubbles, bulging, expanded top in the canned goods, fall odor, and worms.
Okay, very good, Giovanni. So, the on how we recognize or what are the signs of materials that decay if the presence of the mold, bubbles, bulging, expanded top in the canned goods, or fall odor and worms. So when food rots, this wait lang. Okay, when food rots, new substances are formed that can cause changes in the food's odor, appearance, and decaying food cannot be fresh again. So, what happened to the food that decay food? Any idea? Dayan.
It becomes organic fertilizer.
Okay, very good. It becomes organic fertilizer. Leaves and twigs also from trees decompose when they fall to the ground. The organic material is in the soil derived when plants, animals, and human body dies. The remains also decompose and it become nutrients in the soil or becomes organic fertilizers. So, what happened to the decayed food or animal bodies or the human dies? Anyone can give to Diane.
It becomes organic fertilizer.
Yes, very good. It becomes organic fertilizer or they becomes in it is also decomposed and become a nutrients in the soil. So, why are leftover food placed in the refrigerator? Yes, Diane.
Teacher, to slowly destroy.
Yes, to slowly destroy. So to avoid or delay spoilage, since microorganisms that break down food do not grow fast in a cold temperature. Okay, so I know you already learned and you listen well to our discussion. We will in our activity will we discover more of the characteristic of if these materials by doing our activity. So I have here an activity. I will group you into 4 groups. This will be the group 1, This will be the group 2, the group 3, and the group 4. Wait, okay. Four. Okay, for the instruction, in every group, I assigned different kinds of materials or things so that you will observe and perform the on how to avoid or delay spoilage. So write and answer this in a one whole sheet of paper of this following question. Number 1, what are the characteristics of materials that undergo decay? Number 2, describe the texture, odor, size, and color of the materials. Do you think these materials will decay at the same time, and why? So number 3, what are the decaying process of materials? I will give you 10 minutes to answer this question. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Here are your materials. Okay, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, we will answer our activity. What are the characteristics of materials that undergo decay? Dayan.
They are soft, light, and perishable. Spoil.
Yes, very good. And the number 2, describe the texture, odor, size, and color of the materials. Do you think these materials will decay at the same time, and why?
Teacher.
Sherwin.
They are molds, bubbles, bulging, expanding, top and canned goods, full odor, and worms.
Yes, very good. For the number 3 question, what are the decaying process of materials? Anyone who can answer?
Teacher,
Yes, Giovanni?
the decaying process of materials are the presence of sunlight, water, air, soil, and natural process of breaking down materials through the action of bacteria and fungi or microorganisms.
Yes, very good. So all of you got the correct answer. We will give angel clap. Do you know what angel clap class?
Ah, teacher.
Okay. I will perform first the angel clap and later on you will do it, okay?
Yes.
And the angel clap goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, class, you do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Since everyone already understood the lesson, I will ask you some questions to test if everyone really understand. Say question number 1. Do you think these materials will decay at the same time, and why? Yes,
Teacher.
Dayan.
No, teacher, because not all plants and animals decay at the same time.
Yes, very good. Some were compressed. Okay, I forgot. Some were compressed and thick layers of soil over a million of years, and they were converted into fossil fuels such as coal, oil, or natural gas. These fuels are used to power stations like factories, motor vehicles, and others. So, question number 2. What is the organic matter in soil is derived from plants and animals?
Teacher,
Yes, Giovanni.
it becomes organic fertilizer.
Yes, very good. Organic fertilizer is from compost pit. Thus, it does not harm, but it enrich the soil. So, and decompose, and it becomes a nutrients in the soil. So, question number 3. What are the some factors that contribute to the decaying process of materials? Sherwin.
The some factor are sunlight, water, soil, air, and action of microorganisms.
Okay, very good. So, question number 4. What what are leftover foods um, keep in the refrigerator? Giovanni.
Because it is to avoid or delay spoiling seeds. Microorganisms that break down food do not grow fast in cold temperature.
Okay, very good. So, for our evaluation, we will have I will give you a paper. This the instruction is classify the materials whether they decay or do not decay. Okay, class, pass your paper in the box. Get one and pass. Okay, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. For our assignment, okay, pass your activity, class. Okay, very good. So for our assignment, the instruction will be this. Observe and list at least 10 things in your home and tell which of the materials decay fast and which decay slowly. Write your answer in a 1/2 sheet of paper and a 1/2 crosswise. Okay, am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you. Goodbye.